Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, welcome to back my channel. In the video this time, request regulation in the scope of business, which was delivered by myself and two of my friends, Sherly and Tasya Cosita. Joint venture. Definition joint venture. Joint venture is a business venture carried out by two or more business entities for a specific period of time. This cooperation is accredited to profit specific goals and is determined in a agreed plan. This system usually ends after these goals are met only these parties decide to continue working. Next, joint venture arrangements. Description of the State Minister for mobilizing investment funds, hiring of the investment coordinating board number 15 SK 1994 regarding the provision for the implementation of sole ownership in companies formed for foreign investment. 2. Artikel 23 of Law Number 1 of 1967 concerning foreign investment. 3. PP Number 20 of 1994 describes sole ownership in a company established in the framework of PME. Number 4. PP Nomor 17 of 1992, PP Nomor 7 of 1993 concerning awareness of foreign investment campaign. Next, benefits of a joint venture. 3 are so many benefits from a joint venture: financing, save energy, risk elimination, rentability, possible optimization, genau, possibility of limiting concurrence. The characteristic and traits and condition of the joint venture. Characteristic joint venture. Power and voting rights are based on the shareholding or on the founding company. The capital is in the form of share allocated or provided by the founding company with a certain proportion of each of its company. In Indonesia, a joint venture is cooperation between foreign and domestic company. A new company funded by several of the companies generally. The right to freedom of exchange, a freedom of aid for the company that funded the joint. Between its different partner company bear the risk together. Term a condition joint venture. Mandatory in the from a limited liability company PT. It is an element of forget capital. For PME joint venture, the minimum domestic capital is 51% of the total capital of the joint venture company. 3 are a number of business fields that are not open the joint venture company, so potentially investors might see the rate negative investment leads. A PME joint venture company must apply for a principally license and permanent business license to the investment coordinating board. PHM also what is a business entity. PME joint venture company gradually present investment activity report to BKMA.
Number two, fencing. Definition in general, business when the venture can be in the form of a business entity or individual that give the right to utilize and use the right to invention or intellectual property as well as the characteristic of his business to other parties. In other words, the Francis has the right to conduct business using a trademark or trade name and use the business system. Definition Government Regulation number 42 of 2007 states that fencing is or a phrase is a special right that a person, individual, or business entity has on a business system with business characteristics in order to market goods and services that have been proven successful and can be utilized and used by parties based on a free agreement. Friendship is many to the one program of risk. Friendship tends to be perfect because the system is clear. The brand has been accepted in various worlds and is felt to be more prestigious. Of course, the type of fencing has its advantages and disadvantages. The two domestic writing. It is also an investment option for people who want to quickly become entrepreneurs but do not have sufficient knowledge of the initial and continuing business tools profit by the fresher. In addition, there are also types of fencing that are different based on the product, namely product pricing, service pricing, and joint fencing. Fencing characteristic. The one there must be a written agreement or contract which respects and blends interests between the pressure and the franchise. The two franchisees must provide training in all aspects of the business that will be entered. The three franchises is allowed or under the franchise control to operate using the name or trademark for format and or procedure as well as any good name or reputation owned by the franchisor. Therefore, franchisees must make investment that come from and serve their own funds or with the support of other sources of funds or a bank credit. The five, Francis has the right to fully manage its one business. Next, legal foundation. The one government regulation number 42 of 2007 concerning fencing. The two decree of the Minister of Industry and Trade of the Republic of Indonesia number 259 or MPP or KIP or 7 or 1900 date July 30 1900 concerning provision on the procedure of implementing phase business regulation. The three regulation of the Minister of Industry and Trade of the Republic of Indonesia number 31 or MGAZ or per or night or 2000 2009 concerning Fencing Law Number 14 of 2001 on patents. The 4 Law Number 15 of 2001 concerning brand. The 5 Law Number 30 of 2000 concerning trade secrets. Next sample case, Jeko Donut and Coffee. In 1968, a donut selling author named American Donut became a pioneer in selling donuts with automatic automatic machines. This has also become one of the pioneers of the emergence of various modern donut cultures in Indonesia. Of the many modern donut cultures, we are very familiar with Jeko Donut and Coffee. Jeko Donut and Coffee was founded by a native Indonesian salon entrepreneur named Johnny Andrean. The idea to establish Jeko Donut and Coffee originated from Johnny's habit to frequent business trips to the United States. At that time, Johnny liked to taste various typical American donuts from his passion.
3. Both or build, operate, transfer. Definitions: utilizations of state or regional property or assets which management is delegated to parent or regional company in the form of land by another party by means of the other party buildings and or other facilities on the said land, as well as utilizing within a period of 20 to 30 years as regulated in the decree of the Minister of Finance number 470 or KMK 01 or 1994, date September 20, 1994, to later hand over the land, building, or other facilities along with their facilities and their utilizations to the owner or the first party after the end of the agreed period. Map both. Number 1. Presidential Decree of the Republic of Indonesia number 39 of 1991 concerning coordination of foreign commercial loan management in the 6 sections. Point B. The loans below are classified as types of loans that are coordinated by the management of the foreign commercial loan team. Loans related to development projects whose financing based on both B and T and so on. Number 2. Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 32 of 2004 concerning guidelines for the implementation of government goods or service procurement. Number 3. PPRE number 32 of 2005 concerning land acquisitions for the implementation of development in the public interest.